Now let's go see this beautiful community in Rolling Hills Estates. I have a new listing. It's 1-bedroom condo on the top floor. Let's go see it. Look at those duckies. It's really like living in a resort. Unbelievable. Such a beautiful complex. Now we are going to see the place, and it's good. It has like directional signs, so you're not gonna get lost. And this is the lobby. And now let's go up. There's our unit. 305. All right, let's go see it. And here's the unit. This is the balcony. Was the entrance from the bedroom and from the living room. And this is just a local road. Oh, see the squirrel? So you don't hear any traffic. Whenever they cut the tree, you can see the city from here. And this is the bedroom with the walk-in closet. And the bathroom. As soon as you get out from the complex, you have a pool. Look at those tennis courts. I heard that Maria Sharapova was playing here just for practice. And this is the clubhouse. Unfortunately, it is closed right now due to COVID. But it has plenty of social events for people who live in this community. It has a gym, it has a library room, just like a community center. Let's go peekaboo a little bit inside the window. Well, just for you to get like a little bit of idea. So this is where usually people can have for their social events, of course, with the reservation, birthday parties, and you can even enter to the pool through those doors. And this is the beautiful swimming pool. Surrounded by palm trees. Gorgeous.